If you or someone you care about deals with stubborn knee pain or arthritis, you already know how frustrating it can be. Simple, everyday moments like getting out of bed, playing with your grandkids, or going for a grocery run can feel like a major challenge. Knee joint issues happen for various reasons, whether it's natural wear and tear, age, or past injuries. But regardless of the cause, managing knee health comes down to a set of essential rules that every single joint needs to survive and thrive. Today, on DUTTA'S Wellness Lab, we are breaking down 6 non-negotiable rules for protecting your knees, restoring your mobility, and preventing further damage. Let's jump right in. Rule number 1. Avoid prolonged standing. Standing still in one spot for extended periods puts continuous, unyielding pressure on your knee joints. When you stand still, your joint cartilage does not get the dynamic, fluid movement it needs to stay lubricated. If your daily routine requires standing, make sure to shift your weight regularly, take brief sitting breaks, or wear supportive, cushioned footwear. Rule number 2. Minimize stairs whenever possible. Climbing or descending stairs puts up to 4 times your body weight on your kneecaps. While stairs are great for cardiovascular fitness, they can be brutal on compromised knee cartilage. If taking the elevator or an escalator is an option, take it. If you must use stairs, take them slowly, step by step, and lean on handrails for support. Rule number 3. Say no to sitting on the floor. Deep bending positions, like sitting cross-legged or squatting low on the floor, place extreme mechanical stress on the menisci and cartilage in your knees. Getting up from the floor forces your knees to push almost your entire body mass from a deep angle. Stick to firm, ergonomically comfortable chairs with good hip-to-knee alignment. Rule number 4. Keep your body weight in check. Every single extra pound you carry places roughly 4 extra pounds of force on your knees during movement. Losing even a modest amount of weight can dramatically relieve joint overload, decrease systemic inflammation, and give your knees the room they need to heal. Rule number 5. Stay gently active. When knee pain strikes, the natural instinct is to lock yourself on the couch. But complete inactivity actually stiffens your joints and weakens the surrounding muscles that support them. As long as your discomfort is tolerable, engage in light walking or low-impact movements like swimming or cycling. Motion is lotion for your joints. Rule number 6. Do not over-rely on painkillers. Over-the-counter pain medications might offer quick relief, but they only mask the underlying symptoms without curing the root cause. Long-term use of painkillers can also lead to serious gastrointestinal, kidney, or cardiovascular issues. Instead of constantly dulling the pain, focus on structural management, joint exercises, and lifestyle adjustments. Managing knee health isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistent daily habits that protect your mobility for years to come. If you found these joint care tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to DUTTA'S Wellness Lab, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you manage your joint health. Until next time, stay active, listen to your body, and keep living well. Thanks for hanging out today. Take care, and see you guys soon.